Woo! What is going on, guys? Just did about hour drive up to Lake Joe. I'm not going to say what part of Lake Joe I'm at, but yeah, we are at Lake Joe, and I'm doing the intro in my car because it is like lizardy out. It's not too bad. It's a little snowy and it's dark, so I have no lighting outside. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go for some Lakers. We should have been on Lake Joe like a week ago, but it's been hazardous for weather, and I just haven't had the chance. So today we're gonna get redemption on Lake Joe. Hopefully we'll get that 30-inch Laker that we've been looking for, guys. That is the goal today. If not, we're on Lake Joe, we're catching Lakers. That's the goal. So the weather might be my favorite today, I'm hoping. So I find when the weather is sunny, it's not windy, the Lakers don't like to bite. But I find when the weather is crappy, the Lakers are on. So hopefully we bump into a big one. That is the goal today. Bumping into a big one and get some other Lakers too. So I'm gonna hopefully maybe wait till I can see some sunlight a little bit, and then we'll get going, because I can't see anything outside, and I haven't been in this area before, so we'll just keep it safe because I don't know how the ice is. So I kind of want to see. I do have a headlamp, but I'm not sure with the snow being so blizzardy outside right now that it'll work. So wait till the light comes out. It should be another 20 minutes so I can see the ice, and then we'll head out. All right, we got the hut all set up, got the heater going, got the fish on the fucking screen. There we go. Sorry for my language, didn't mean to swear there. Got everything else. She is a little gloomy outside, as you can see. Beautiful weather, beautiful weather. So yeah, I already caught one fish. It took 20 minutes. It took 20 minutes. No, maybe half an hour once to set up. The wind was blowing. It was howling out there. It was still dark, but I got set up. I got 6 spikes on the ground around the hut, which is going good. She's holding up. So let's just keep fishing. Already caught one Laker. I was just trying to get set up and get everything before I did another intro kind of thing. So yeah, let's get some more fish. Finally got a Laker. I don't know where he went. I think he's coming up. Oh, there we go. Whew. He felt big at first. He definitely felt big at first. Whew. Laker. Whew. And this little guy do pole. Bye bye. Just want to be jigging here. See if we can find one. Yeah, he came like right from the bottom and he just smacked it. So what I'm doing here, and these are for people who don't fish for Lake Trout. So I'm jigging just about 10 feet off the bottom. Okay, as you can see. That's my jig there, okay? And what I like to do sometimes is I hit the bottom and come back up, which I find works. If there's no, like as you can see, there's some fish coming up. I'm that big one on the top there, little shiny color one. There are some fish at the bottom, but if they're not interacting with you, sometimes hitting the bottom, bouncing the bottom, and coming back up, racing back up works. So stay tuned for more little tips. And like I said, this is for people who are beginning and don't really know how to catch lake trout. This is not for the experts. So anybody who's been catching lake trout, please don't comment and just be like, blah blah blah, I already know how to catch lake trout kind of thing. But yeah, if you're a beginner, stay tuned. He's tapped it twice. It's probably a little guy. But something keeps like touching it. He's not smacking it. It's like he's like nibbling it. I don't know what it is. Oh. 62% in the GoPro. I left the GoPro on like an idiot. I want to get some recordings. Drop down back to the bottom here. I should check my bait though. Not sure if it's still on there. Could be, could not be. I'm gonna leave it right here. Seems like dead stick in it. It's better. I had him right at the bottom. Down to the bottom. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, down to the bottom, and I kept hitting it right at the bottom. Right at the bottom, he kept hitting it. So see if he will come back and do it again. So I'm gonna stick second Laker. Go. Ah! Second Laker. Go down the hole. Oh. Yeah, chase him up. He seems like a fighter. Oh shit, no. Oh, he's a decent size. If I hit up this hole. Yeah, come on. Get the hole. Come on, go. Oh, he didn't want to cut the hole. Yeah, backwards. That's a decent one. Whew. He's a nice little guy. And he's burping. And this thing needs to shut up. Yeah, that's the third Laker of the day. Whew. There's the third Laker. Woo.